All right, so I'm just going to throw in some turn signals real quick because, like I said in a previous video, when you have the lights and they're right there and the turn signals are in the same beam light, you don't really see it. So I got these. They're for bikes actually, but they're flexible, they move around, and they're amber. So I figured, where can I place them? I looked at putting it down here, kind of straight on the intercooler. It's gonna be blocked anywhere here. I thought about putting it on the bumper itself, like somewhere underneath this, somewhere up here, I don't know, somewhere out of the way. But then I thought if I need to take the front bumper off, I'm gonna have an issue because I'll need to take these off too. So I figured, all right, well, let's find another spot. So I ended up putting it right here on top of the intercooler. So I looked at some old photos and it seemed like you could still slightly see some of that. So as long as you could see some light, and these are pretty bright when I went through to look at them and tested them out. So put another one on this side, hook it up, test them out. And then just to give you a quick idea of how bright they are, just try this out here. We got our ground and our positive. That's pretty bright. So I think these should do me pretty well, especially because I'll just hook them up to the blinkers and away we go. I'm blind now. Put it as far over as we can get. In order to clean the surface off, put some alcohol, wiped it down. And on we go. All right, cool. So now I just gotta hook them up to the blinkers and then we should be good to really test them out, but that's it. All right, got some minor things to do. Put these taillights on, put the turbo blanket back on, and then close the lid. That's pretty much about it. So that way I can drive it tomorrow. So we'll cut to that. We're pretty much ready to go. I'll put a couple bolts in for the seat just to make sure we're good to go there, but otherwise, I just took the hardtop off. I didn't record it because it was kind of boring, but took the bottom seal right here just off so we can get the full thing covered in paint. But yeah, we're here. I think this will probably need to come off too, is my guess, in order for him to paint the whole thing black. So we're pretty much there, but yeah, we'll drive this over there hopefully and make it there successfully, and then we'll take these hood pins out, and then yeah, it's in his house, so it'll be empty here for a while, but you can see the vision. It's gonna be good. Let's get to it. guys, so the car is officially gone at this point in time. So now we just have the stuff laid out. I mean, there's nothing I can do obviously because the car's not here. I don't have any plans for that right now. So I'm just gonna maybe clean it up a little bit more, but otherwise, next time we'll see the Miata, it should be a different color. Lucy, are you excited? Are you excited, mama? Good girl. All right, guys, so finally got some pieces painted and they're looking good. So we got all the pieces for the most part. I think Jetstream headlight, there was a little run that was here on the other one, so he's just gonna take that back and fix that up. But look at this, spectacular! I'm so happy I chose to go with this color. So now I get to just put everything back together again. So the car's not here yet. When it gets here, we'll basically just be slapping everything back together, but still gotta put the roll bar in, the door bars in, AC, the dash, literally everything still has to go back in the car. So it's gonna take me probably a few days, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. It depends how much time I can have to kind of knock this out. But otherwise, yeah, the hard part's done. Now we're just waiting for the body to come back and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, so in accordance with everything that's going on here, I'm also taking care of other things that are going on in the background. So let me get this attic piece down, get the staircase down so I can take a look and see what's inside for this weekend. So it's time for my wheels to get built.